USA, we have Hakim. Everyone say hi! Okay, now, sea lions are fascinating creatures. They can live on land as well as in the waters. They can dive to depths of 180. Well, they are very vocal animals. Just hang on a second, guys. Morning, Hakim.
Morning, Rachel.
What is going on here?
Iago is upset with you.
Upset with me, but why?
He said you forgot the most important thing about him.
I forgot the most important thing. Alright. Well, he is upset with me, okay? Because I forgot to mention that sea lions, especially Iago, are very intelligent and good looking. So shy now, cheeky boy. Okay, come on, let's show how powerful your flippers are today. Flippers, hey! That's 200 kilograms on those two flippers. One more time. There you go. Alright, so there is another animal that looks quite like a sea lion, and they are called true seals. True seals look a little bit funny on land. So right now, Iago is going to show us how they look on land and how a true seal moves on land. Let's go. Ah, there you go. Very good imitation of a true seal. Okay, like a caterpillar. Alright, now back to being a sea lion. What do we have, Iago? Oh, a little bit of scratching. Itchy, yeah? Okay, and we got some spits in skin. Very nice. And some shuffling like a penguin. You know what? This handsome boy deserves another round of applause. Alright, so you guys have seen how well he moves on land. Do you all want to see how fast Iago can swim? Iago cannot hear you. Yes or no? Iago, let's go. Let's show everyone how. Well, we got a lot to say today. Haki, what is going on now?
Rachel, Iago says no.
Oh, no.
Yeah, he doesn't want to swim.
Oh, but he is a sea lion.
Earlier on, he told me he saw something big, something scary in the pool.
Something big and scary in the pool. Do you all see anything big and scary in the pool? That's what I thought. Okay, never mind. You guys double check then. I double check here for you. I'm looking